This is the Amazon Essentials men's button casual shirt in the blue buffalo print. I really like these shirts. They fit really well. I switch between like Ralph Lauren, the Amazon Essentials brand, and I'm very happy with these. These are very high quality. They're made well. The buttons are always intact. They wash very well, or if you're going to dry clean them. However, they do hold up very, very well. Again, I'm a repeat buyer of these. I have several of them. This is the regular fit here. You can see on the tab right there, it does show regular fit. You have to watch because some of these similar shirts are a slim fit, so those will have a little bit tighter of a fit. I prefer the regular fit. It just has a little bit more roomy when you're moving around. But the slim fit, I do have a couple of those too. They have some nice colors in the slim fit, but my preference is for the regular fit, and it's a little bit more comfortable. But I really like the sleeve length on these. They fit really well. Again, these are comparable to like Polo Ralph Lauren casual shirts. Very happy with them. Again, repeat buyer. I have them in multiple colors and highly recommend picking these up if you're looking for some new men's casual shirts. I think you'll be very pleased with them.